So I can't believe that up until a few months ago, I did not know that you can slow down videos in YouTube itself. And apparently not everybody knows about this because I still get people asking me about this, how they can slow down my tutorials. So let me show you really quickly how you can do this in YouTube settings. So if you're in your desktop, all you have to do is click on the settings wheel, which is at the bottom of your playback screen. When you click on it, you should see an option for playback speed, and it will give you a few different options. If you're on your mobile device or on your iPad, you just have to click on the little dots at the corner, on the top corner of the playback screen, and then you'll also get an option for playback speed, and you can do the exact same thing. Knowing about this slowdown feature on YouTube is a game changer and a phenomenal tool for guitarists trying to learn off of YouTube. If you're watching my tutorials or if you're just watching somebody else's performance and you want to slow it down, it makes a world of a difference to be able to bring it down to 75% or 50%. Or if you just want to play along with somebody else's performance but their real speed is just too fast. So I've used it definitely when I'm learning new pieces and I want to play along with other people on YouTube and I just want to slow that speed down to 50% or 75%. So make sure you get some good use out of it. Make sure you let me know in the comments if you're using this and how beneficial you found it.